Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Izzah binti Bahari and today I will be presenting my practical training 3 on built environment. Next, I will briefly explain the field activities carried out during my attachment. Several environmental health assessments were conducted, including construction sites, school environments, welfare homes, homestay, and recreational areas. Other activities include festival plays, local authority activities, food factories and wastewater assessment, as well as natural disaster risk assessment. These activities provided practical exposure to different aspects of environmental health. For the construction site assessment, I participated in a site inspection with the officers. We observed the general site conditions and assessed several environmental health aspects, including workers' facilities, sanitation, and water storage. The assessment also provided an opportunity to identify potential health and safety concerns at the construction site. A part of construction site assessment, we also observe the workers' living and welfare conditions. The assessment included their sleeping area, cooking facilities, and the provision of a designated prayer area. This observation provided an understanding of the basic facilities available for the workers at the site. For the school assessment, I had the opportunity to observe several environmental health and safety aspects within the school. I discussed the site condition with the school representative and assessed the staircase safety barrier, particularly the wide opening observed. The school sanitation facilities were also observed as part of the assessment. One of the main observations was the staircase barrier, where the opening was relatively wide and therefore required attention from a safety perspective. For the welfare home assessment, I observed several environmental health aspects, including the general living environment, kitchen facilities, sanitation, and safety. The assessment also included the surrounding outdoor environment to obtain an overall view of the conditions provided for the residents. These photographs these photographs show the living area, kitchen facilities, and the surrounding environment observed during the assessment. For the recreational area assessment, I visit Sungai Kalumpang. The assessment focused on the safety, sanitation, and environmental conditions of the recreational area. We also observed the facilities and the surrounding environment used by visitors. These photographs show the recreational area, including the river, surrounding facilities, and drainage conditions. For the homestay assessment, I conducted an environmental health assessment at Wak Hassan Homestay, Felda Soeharto. The assessment included observation of the recreational facilities, water supply, and outdoor environment. Fire safety measures, including the provision of fire extinguisher, were also observed. Another activity I participated in was an environmental health assessment during the mini carnival Sukma in Hulu, Selangor. The event involved food trucks, promotional booths, and various activities for visitors. During the assessment, we observed food premise, food sanitation, waste management, and the general environmental condition of the event area. During my attachment, I was also exposed to various activities carried out together with the local authority. This included field inspection, briefings, and coordination among officers and different agencies. Next, I assessed the wastewater treatment facilities at Kilang Kami Food Huriyam. During the visit, I observed the treatment tanks and filtration system. Proper maintenance of the wastewater treatment system is important to prevent environmental pollution. Next, I will explain the approval procedure for the Certificate of Completion and Compliance or CCC. The process starts with building plan of approval, followed by construction and technical inspection. Any non-compliant must be corrected before the building is confirmed safe and fit for occupation. Finally, the CCC is issued by the Principal Submitting Person or PSP and submitted to the local authority. That's all for today and thank you for your attention.